I really need Adderall again. Unfortunately, I don't need.
Hey, what's going on? My name is Cody. I'm an ex-alcoholic liver failure survivor, and I drank myself all the way to death, all because I have ADHD. I was also tagged because I help people think so thinking doesn't happen to them. Don't flip out, but we're going to talk about neuroplasticity and mindfulness. There's nothing over there, bro. I'm going to help you understand your brain, but I'm also going to help you get through these challenges. If you don't practice thinking, then thinking happens to you. 90% of the thoughts that you had today are the exact same thoughts as yesterday. If that's true, then what does tomorrow look like? If that's upsetting, then we got to practice mindfulness today so we can set ourselves up for success tomorrow. ADHD is primarily characterized by low dopamine. If you've got low dopamine like me, you may have an addictive personality, alcohol, drugs, sex, foods, whatever. If it brings dopamine, I am interested. But low dopamine also leads to depression and can spike your anxiety. So this is how we're going to start training your brain to work on your behalf. Your brain is a series of pathways that have been written over time. Every thought, every feeling, every action is a pathway. Meditation, cognitive reserve, brain games all help you rewrite those neural pathways so you can break free from your subconscious. Your life, your thoughts, your feelings, your actions are one big series of codes that are running whether you like it or not. So if we don't write them intentionally, they continue writing themselves artificially. If you set time aside every single day, you can create a new neurological environment where your brain releases a whole neural cocktail of amazing. There's 1,400 chemicals running through your mind and body at all time, and that combination is what you call life. So we want to think on purpose, so this creates a neurological balance of those chemicals in your mind and body. Personally, I meditate for an hour a day. That's a lot, but 15 minutes will get the job done. If you spend 18 minutes a day practicing mindfulness, you'll be better than 95% of the planet in a year. Toxic mindfulness is using a substance to help you ignore the thoughts that need your attention, while actual mindfulness is aggressively giving your attention to what you want to think about. What makes you happy? What makes you motivated? What makes you feel abundant? If that's all you could think about and your subconscious is trained to focus on that when you're not paying attention, you've got more dopamine. When you feel good, you do good. You no longer need to generate motivation or escape depression because your body and mind are working on your behalf. So get extremely clear on what a regimen looks like that's going to contribute to those three areas: happiness, motivation, money. Cognitive reserve is your brain's ability to manage challenging situations. So the harder something is for you, the stronger your brain is getting. So the more you challenge your brain, the more resilience you're building to the symptoms of ADHD: depression, anxiety, low motivation. So the key to overcoming the challenges of ADHD symptoms is to harness the power of neuroplasticity and mindfulness. You get good at anything you practice, including embracing the superhuman powers that your brain is actually providing. Cheers to more dopamine.